Yan guys, dahil malayo kami guys, nagbabalik kami guys dahil tayo pa yung yan. Dito pa kami guys oh. And land bank. Yan guys, yung sama ko guys, galing kami na Malingke. Medyo malayo-layo pa guys. Kilometro pa. Layo. Wala, hindi nakasama si Gwapo eh. Umuwi ng Bulacan eh. Ayan na guys. Inakad lang namin guys kasi puro buo yung pera namin guys eh. Walang barya, kaya inakad lang namin. Ayan guys, yung blue tower. Kung may white tower, may blue tower guys. Ayan, blue tower. So ayan na guys yung flammable guys. Papunta dun sa bahay namin yan guys. Maghahatid dun ng gas ng sasakyan namin guys. Ayan, lakad pa rin. Kapalo ngayon guys, kaya maraming sasakyan.
Absent naman guys yung hardinero namin guys.
Oh, ito lang yung ginawa kanina.
Putulay yung mga laman dito.
Yung ginawa ng hardinero namin guys oh. Oh. Lollipop. Ayan guys oh.
Ayun pa namin. Open.
Ayan, wala kaming eh. Oh, yan oh. Oh.
Shout out,
ayan, guys, shout out. Shout out guys.
May fans ka na guys ah.
May fans na tayo guys. Ayan guys, malapit-lapit na tayo guys. Ito yung admin guys. Dito kami nag-withdraw minsan guys. So ngayon wala eh. Nakaibos yung ATM guys. Ito guys, ito yung anong puno to guys.
Buti naman di nakalimutan ng buhay natin guys.
Oo, ayan oh.
Ayusin ito yung mga natin guys.
Pinabasan yung mga garden namin dito guys. Garden.